Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly and safely remove the airbag and steering wheel on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now for the airbag removal procedure, of course it's always smart to refer to the workshop manual. If you want to get one of these, I'll put a link down in the description below. So what it says here is that we have to remove the negative battery terminal and wait at least 10 minutes before working on the airbag. It also says that we have to touch the body of the car to get rid of any static electricity. One more thing that's also mentioned are the dimensions of the flathead screwdriver that we need to remove the airbag from the steering wheel. You can see right here that the tip is 6.5 millimeters wide and the screwdriver has to be at least 65 millimeters long. I'm gonna start by disconnecting the battery. So you can remove this cable just by pressing this clip on the side. And I'm also gonna remove this part. Here are going to be the access holes for the screwdriver. Now you can see that this one hasn't been punctured. So essentially what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take the X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut the slit here for the screwdriver, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now I'm just going to turn the screwdriver counterclockwise. There it is, so this side popped out. And I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. Alright, there it is. Now I can pull the airbag out. So first I'm gonna remove this white connector right here at the top. I'm just gonna press this clip in and push the connector out. There it is. Moving on to the airbag connectors. I don't know how well can you see it, but you got these small clips on the side. So I'm just gonna press that in and pull the connector out. I'm gonna do the same thing here. There it is. I'm gonna slide the cables from this side, and the airbag is free. Now on Alfa Romeo Giulietta there are actually two types of the airbag connectors. Now as you just saw on this particular one, you get this plastic clip on the side. When you press it you can pull the airbag connector off. Now on the second kind, all you gotta do is lift up this top flat part. After you do that, you can disconnect the airbag. Moving on to this black connector, I can just pull this clip out and pull the connector out. Alright, so that is pretty much it. Then we got this plastic protector for this main screw, and now we gotta undo this nut. Now to undo this main nut, I'm gonna use a 24 millimeter socket with the extension. Now the trick is I'm just gonna hold the steering wheel using my knees. Alright, there it is. Now do not undo the screw all the way. First hit it to get it loose, and once you get it loose you can undo the screw and remove the steering wheel. Make sure that you guide all of these cables out so you don't damage any of the connectors. there it is. So there is our steering wheel. Alright, now the good thing about this clock spring is you can't really mess it up, so you can turn it just enough one way or the other. If you want to turn it all the way, you gotta press this white thing in. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.